Only a few days later has passed after Apple unveiled the iPhone 17 series, and now there are new rumors circulating regarding Samsung's upcoming flagship device, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. However, to be honest, Samsung fans weren't exactly expecting this update. The S26 Ultra's 3x telephoto zoom camera may actually be a step backward, according to tipster Ice Universe. According to earlier speculations, Samsung would switch to a new 12-megapixel sensor, which would be a good improvement for zoom images. Here's the catch, though. According to reports, the phone would reduce the 12 megapixels to just 10. On paper, that doesn't sound all that bad because the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 3x camera also took 10-megapixel pictures. However, it becomes quite worrisome when you go into the specifics. The S25 Ultra featured 1.12 micron pixels on a 1/3.53-inch sensor. According to reports, the S26 Ultra's new sensor has 1.0 micron pixels and measures 1/3.94 in. In essence, the sensor is a little bit smaller, and the pixels are smaller. In case you're wondering why it matters, the amount of light that is caught is directly influenced by the size of the pixels. More light results from larger pixels, and brighter, clearer images with fewer noise are typically the result of more light. The S26 Ultra may therefore perform worse in low light, particularly for those 3x zoom photos, because to its lower pixels. It's not all bad news, of course. From a technical standpoint, this feels more like a sideways step, if not a slight downgrade, in comparison to the S25 Ultra. However, Samsung has some of the greatest image processing in the industry, and they could easily compensate for the hardware downgrade with software and a better ISP. What do you think, then? Will the magic of Samsung software be sufficient to save the day? Or does this portend poorly for the S26 Ultra's camera performance? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.